Checking if there is a folder with a name that starts with a specific string. I'm writing a Python script that is supposed to manage my running files. I want to make sure that the source and target folder exists before I run it, and I can do this with os.path.exists. However, I have a set of folder names runner, I. Is there a way to check that there are some folders beginning with that name? For example, if in the path /path/to/runners, I have at least one folder named runner. Break time equals ones, greater than $ls file1.txt file2.txt folder1 folder2 runner1 runner35's folder. Then the result is true. Remove runner1 and runner35 and it will be false.
You could do the following. That uses the helpful any function and a generator expression.
Mark Longair's answer is quite fine, and an equivalent alternative for this kind of expression is to use glob.
Isso é uma peça de ser